In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an extremely simple LinkedIn sales funnel in 2024. And this LinkedIn sales funnel will get you 2, 3, 4, 5, even 10 qualified inbound leads per week with really low effort. And also on the side, it will passively build your personal brand that you can leverage to charge higher prices, close at bigger closing rates, and just have a better time in business. The main thing that we need to understand that everything on this funnel is going to revolve around your LinkedIn profile. It's pretty much going to be your landing page. And just for example, if you open my LinkedIn profile, this is pretty much what it looks like. Here's my profile picture. Here's my headline. Here's a link to our landing page. Here's some content that I can post here. Here's my experience of what I have done. Here's my education. Here's my recommendations. And here are pretty much people giving testimonials. And if you just take a random person from here, Noah, actually not a random person because Noah is our customer. But if you look at Noah's LinkedIn profile, professional profile picture, banner could be a bit better. So Noah, if you're seeing this video, you can make this a bit better. He has a clear headline. Someone can immediately see what he does, what is his offer. He has an about section. We can see that, okay, he has been doing lead generation in the past and now he runs his own lead generation business. And here are some endorsements from Noah. First, you will have to optimize your LinkedIn profile. And this is actually way easier than you would think. You just take really great profile picture. You don't have to get a professional photo session to take a profile picture. Don't be like overly corporate. Smile a bit. Have a bright background so it pops off on the feed. Create your banner photos. Just throw in your offer and your call to action. Put your offer in the headline. Write the basic about section. Put in your experience. Then also take the features section and put your landing page and your video sales letter here and your calendar. There's going to be 3 different ways on how we are going to drive traffic to our LinkedIn profile. And the method number 1 is going to be LinkedIn content. You're going to do 1 post on LinkedIn a day from Monday to Friday. 5 posts a week, 20 posts a month. And now we're going to be thinking, okay, we'll just ask ChatGPT to write me content. First of all, the content is going to be really low quality and really general and it's going to look like everyone else's. Second of all, let's say that you're selling B2B lead generation services to IT companies and you start talking about like specific deliverability protocols, you're just going to attract other cold email guys and then you can't sell your offer to them. So what you need to do first is you need to map out what your target market wants to see content about. And the only way you will learn this is by actually working with these companies and talking to these companies. But we can still make educated guesses if you're just getting started out. So you have 4 different categories. You map out their dreams, their goals, their fears, and their failures. So you write down all of the dreams that you feel that your niche has. Then you write all of your goals down. Then you write all of their fears and then everything that they have failed at. And then every single day when you go and write content, you just pick one of these things. Okay, today I'm going to be talking about one of the failures that my niche on average experiences. The more accurate these things are, the better your content is going to perform. If you're posting every single day and you post for like 90 days and nothing happens, then you just don't understand your niche well enough. And the content structure is really simple. So this is your LinkedIn post. So you have a headline for the post and this should be like 3 lines. Here's going to be like a cutoff section. And this section needs to be like a really banger hook. It needs to like immediately capture someone's attention. For example, here from Lux, if you're a copywriter, hand copying doesn't work unless you're consistently analyzing the word and digesting that and it like cuts off a little bit. Like if your headline is bad and you don't get people to press see more, your post is not going to perform. It doesn't matter how good the actual content is because no one is going to see it. When you start out with content, you're going to overanalyze it a lot. It doesn't matter. When you're starting out, no one is going to see your stuff anyways. Just post something. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be actually an absolute trash post. And after like the first month, you're going to get so much better and better automatically. Then when you have your headline, do your body content is going to be here. There's a few different ways. You can either just write a bunch of text. You take, for example, a failure and then you describe this failure and you describe why it happens and how you can solve it. And then the last thing you have is you have a CTA. So you have a call to action at the end of each post. And this call to action doesn't have to always be to book a call with you or to buy your service or DM you. It can just be, hey, like this post if you agree or comment how you have solved this problem. And then the last thing you just add, always have like a picture of something here. It can be like a GIF, it can be a video, or it can just be a picture like this. Posts with pictures are just going to perform better on the algorithm. Exactly post like these 5 times a week, 6 months in a row, and you will get absolutely fantastic on writing. The second way to get traffic to your page is engaging. You just find people who are in the same niche that you are in, and then you pretty much just share something of value under their post. So for example, you might be scrolling on LinkedIn and you see someone in your niche talking about hiring SDRs. Then you just take that post, and once again, you don't use AI for this. Actually write like your own thoughts behind it. A super good post. I have also tried this and this and this, and this has also worked super well. Like, I recommend you try this. And here's a resource how you can learn more about this. And you can just link to like some blog article or YouTube video. It doesn't even have to be yours. And people in your niche will see that, okay, this guy knows about this stuff, and they will go to their profile and they will follow you and connect with you and DM you. And you should do this 10 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day. The last thing that we want to do is going to be outbound. So we want to have like super soft connection campaigns running at all times to your niche. The same way how you can do cold email, you can also do LinkedIn outbound. I like to use a tool called Expandy. You go and you scrape your target audience on LinkedIn. So for example, CEOs and founders of IT companies in the United States. And then you just create an automatic connection campaign, and the automation will send connection requests to 10 people every single day. They connect with you, and then they start seeing your post, and they're from your niche. They're gonna get immediately interested, and they're gonna nurtured and probably convert at some point in time. And then because all of your assets in your LinkedIn, so your headline, your banner, everywhere you want to have a link to your sales letter, to your VSL, to your Calendly, this will automatically get people to a sales call. And then of course from the sales call, you're gonna be converting these people into paying customers. And also what you wanna do on the side is when people are connecting with you on outbound, you can also send them automation that says, hey John, thank you for accepting my connection request. I was just wondering if you're looking to scale in 2024. I'll gladly share you some resources on how we have been doing it for other IT companies. Would you want to see that? And you can start the conversation, and you can also get those people on the side to sales calls. And if you just do this every single day consistently, you understand your niche, you have a good offer, you're going to start generating extra 10, 15, 20 sales calls a month from your LinkedIn profile. Let's say you do this for a year and you build up 5,000, 10,000 people. That personal brand is an asset that you can leverage for the longest time ever. Use it for hiring, for getting new clients, for networking with other people. What I like to do with my content, I like to use tools where you can sit down on a Sunday evening, write all of the posts for the next week, and then automatically schedule them to go live on their separate days. But I like to use a tool called Hypefury. And the great thing about Hypefury is you can schedule these posts, and you can automatically have them also go to your Instagram and also to your Twitter. When you have mastered this yourself, you have gotten really great at writing content, you have gotten really great at generating leads and doing stuff that people like, and you have some clients, you can just go talk to your clients and tell them, hey John, I have been doing this LinkedIn funnel for the past 6 months, and it has booked me 45 calls and got me 5 extra clients. I could do the same thing for you, and I will run the whole funnel for you, and you just have to pay me $3,000 a month. And we will get you more leads, we'll get you more customers, and we will also be building your personal brand that you can leverage for customer acquisition and all of these things in the future. So it's a really great deal. You can like hire content writers for them and outsource most of the work, but you first just need to learn how to do it yourself. So if you're looking to build a B2B lead generation agency and build a profitable online business, go check out agentvelocity.io, check out our stuff, book a call. No matter if you're a beginner or expert, we have something for everyone. We will get you amazing results. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, drop me a like, drop me a subscribe, go check out leadgenkit.io for the LinkedIn optimization course. And thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.